How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 62 Chevy II Nova. Clean California car, had a complete rotisserie restoration. Nicely updated with a Heights type independent front suspension and everything. See, the grille and the headlight bezels are all the originals. Very good condition. New parking lights. Bumper's been redone. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Super cool two-tone. Arrival blue and gray. Nice set of coy wheels on it. Very nice custom pinstripe, divided into two-tone. So all the moldings on the deck lid and quarters are new. It's original tail lights, original applique on the deck lid. All really good condition. Re-chrome rear bumper. It's got all tinted glass. Just a slick little car. Got your disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors up front. Got a nice aluminum headed 350 in it. Holley 4-barrel. It's got power rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Nice set of ceramic coated headers, and the duals out the back. It's all nicely detailed. You have to kind of bear with us. We ain't got a whole lot of sun today. All the jams are real nice. They refinished all the insides of the doors and dash. The instrument cluster looks like new. All the interior in the car is new. Headliner's nice and tight. It's got I did it tilt steering. All inside the trunk is real nice. Got a envelope of all the paperwork on the updated wire harness. It's got a perfect fit front end kit in it. Got speakers in the rear. Got a retrofit AM FM iPod capability stereo in it. B&M Quicksilver shifter. Got front seat belts. Tell you, it's just a super cool little car. Again, it's got power steering, power disc brakes. Fires right up. It's just a cool little car. The two-tone paint on it's real slick. That's a good looking car right there. Again, it's a 350 aluminum headed motor. It's got 350 turbo trans. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.